Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for accessing this video. This video is all about Mercury transiting into Libra. So Mercury got transited into Libra since 22nd September 2020. Okay, and he will remain until 28th November 2020. For the last 2 months, we have been experiencing that Mercury is in Libra. Mercury is the planet of business, Mercury is the planet of communication, Mercury is the planet of intellect, Mercury is the Mercury is the planet of creativity, and during this time Mercury will go into retrograde from 14th October 2020 to 3rd November 2020. So during this retrograde position, most importantly, all the Karakattvas of Mercury will be affected. Mercury represents intellect, Mercury represents youngest brother or sister, Mercury represents maternal uncle, Mercury represents father-in-law, Mercury represents friends, okay, support, education, business, philosophy, diplomacy, astrology, and correspondence. All these are all Karakattvas of planet Mercury. Mercury is the planet of communication, Mercury is the planet of speech. Okay, so during this point of time, what will happen is basically Mercury is very strong in Libra because Mercury becomes very positive planet for Libra zodiac sign. So as he is transiting into the friendly zodiac sign, mostly he will be giving all the positive attributes of Mercury. So the people who have businesses, so their businesses will be gaining profits. There will be expansion in the business, and also real estate business also will be flourishing. And also people who are into real estate, they'll be getting very good profits. And also people who are into teaching industry and people who teach astrology, mostly they'll be getting a lot of name and reputation during this period. Most of the people will be influenced by in terms of Vedic astrology. They will start showing interest on Vedic astrology. They will start doing research on Vedic astrology. And the people whose jobs are involved with intellect, so all those jobs will be getting very good attraction, very good traction in terms of finances as well. And also people who deal with accounts, business management, mathematics, communication, and writing. All these people will be successful in their careers. The reason being, Mercury is transiting across its friendly zodiac sign Libra. Okay, so I have told you the dates as well. So some more important things I would like to tell you is there will be profits in business, as I mentioned to you, and there will be educational successes. People who are students or something, because every student for that matter, he needs memory power. For memory, the Karaka is again Mercury. As Mercury is transiting into the friendly zodiac sign, that is Libra, there will be educational success. Okay, and also people start knowing new things. They will start showing interest on new knowledge, and also they'll be gaining the landed property gains as well. People who have invested into lands and all that, they'll be getting very good property gains during this period. And also professional training, people take a professional training because they will show interest on creativity like arts and crafts, dancing, singing, extracurricular activities. So they'll be gaining knowledge through that as well, through professional training. And also official meetings will be resolved in a very amicable manner. Okay, there won't be any kind of conflicts among the business partners. And learning occult sciences, people start showing interest on the occult sciences. So these are all the primary significators of Mercury transiting into Libra. So after October 23rd, after November 23rd, sorry, 28th, I'm so sorry. So after 28th November 2020, Mercury will be transiting into Scorpio zodiac sign. Okay, so I'll be making another some of the videos related to Mercury into Scorpio zodiac sign after 28th, or maybe sometime around 26th or 27th. Please do watch my video, you'll be getting that information. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and do watch other videos also in my YouTube channel, because I'll be adding more and more videos related to Vedic astrology, and also my objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. So stay tuned with my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for accessing this video. Bye for now.